Hello everyone, welcome back to Previous Speaker, your go-to channel for insightful tips and strategies. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that every student and learner can relate to: how to study with full concentration.
In this video, we'll explore step-by-step techniques that will help you enhance your focus, retain information better, and make your study sessions incredibly productive.
So, grab a pen and paper because you're about to unlock the secrets to unstoppable concentration. Number 1. Set the stage for success. The first step to studying with full concentration is creating the right environment. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be easily distracted. Clear your workspace of any unnecessary clutter. Having a dedicated study area helps signal to your brain that it's time to focus. Number 2. Embrace the power of Pomodoro technique. Next, let's talk about the Pomodoro technique, a time management method designed to boost your concentration. Work for 25 minutes with complete focus, and then take a 5-minute break. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break. This technique helps prevent burnout and maintains your energy levels throughout your study session. Imagine you're preparing for an exam. You start a 25-minute timer, fully engaging with your study material. After the timer rings, you reward yourself with a 5-minute break, maybe by stretching, grabbing a healthy snack, or just taking a breather. Number 3. Prioritize and plan your study. Before you begin studying, outline a clear plan. Identify your priorities and break down your study material into smaller, manageable tasks. This prevents overwhelm and guides you through your study session efficiently. For example, if you're studying a complex topic in mathematics, break it down into specific subtopics. Plan to cover one subtopic during each Pomodoro session. Number 4. Mindfulness and meditation. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your routine can greatly improve your concentration. Spend a few minutes practicing deep breathing or mindfulness meditation before you start studying. This helps calm your mind and improves your ability to focus. Dedicate 5 minutes to sit in a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus solely on your breath. When your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Number 5. Active learning and engagement. Passive reading often leads to reduced concentration. Instead, practice active learning. Take notes, ask questions, and summarize the material in your own words. Engaging with the content on a deeper level enhances your retention and concentration. While reading a chapter in a history textbook, jot down key points, highlight important facts, and write down questions that arise. This transforms you from a passive reader to an active learner. Number 6. Stay hydrated and nourished. Proper hydration and nutrition play a significant role in maintaining your concentration. Drink water regularly and snack on brain-boosting foods like nuts, fruits, and dark chocolate. Avoid heavy meals that can make you feel sluggish.
Keep a bottle of water and a small bowl of mixed nuts on your study desk. Take sips and bites during your short breaks to keep your energy levels up. Number 7. Digital detox.
In today's digital age, electronic devices can be major distractions. Turn off notifications, put your phone on silent, and use website blockers if needed to stay away from social media during your study time. Use apps or built-in settings on your devices to temporarily block distracting websites and apps during your Pomodoro sessions. Number 8. Reward yourself. Celebrate your achievements. After completing a study session, reward yourself with a treat or a short break doing something you enjoy. This positive reinforcement encourages you to maintain your focus and productivity. For example, if you finish a particularly challenging section of your study material, treat yourself to a 10-minute break to listen to your favorite music or watch a funny YouTube video. Number 9. Physical activity and breaks. Incorporating physical activity into your study routine can invigorate both your body and mind. Every couple of hours, take a longer break and engage in light exercise or stretching. This increases blood flow to your brain, keeping you alert and ready to absorb information. During your longer break, take a brisk walk, do some yoga stretches, or even dance to your favorite song. This physical activity will refresh your mind and body. Number 10. Sleep and rest. A good night's sleep is crucial for maintaining concentration. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep helps consolidate your learning and rejuvenates your brain for the next day's challenges. Avoid pulling all-nighters, as they can negatively impact your ability to concentrate. For example, imagine you've been studying late into the night. However, your body is signaling fatigue. Listen to your body, prioritize sleep, and continue your study sessions the next day with a well-rested mind. And there you have our complete guide on how to study with full concentration. By following these steps and customizing them to fit your preferences, you'll be on your way to becoming a concentration master. Remember, consistent practice is the key to success. From creating an ideal study environment to embracing the Pomodoro technique, and from engaging in active learning to rewarding yourself, every step plays a vital role in boosting your focus. Additionally, don't underestimate the impact of mindfulness, hydration, and physical activity on your concentration levels. And always prioritize sleep. It's the foundation of effective learning.
Thank you for tuning in to Previous Speaker. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Feel free to share your own concentration boosting techniques in the comments below. Keep studying smart and concentrating sharper. Until next time, happy learning.